Alright guys, in this video we're going to be talking about how we go about cleaning solar panels with the C1000. A lot of you guys have been asking how we go about doing that, so why don't we go ahead and get started. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to cut the top of the solar panel in a 45-degree angle. We want to make sure that we go and we cut the top just like this. And I want to point out that make sure when you start this, you start your C1000, make sure that you have water that's actually going onto the panel first. Don't do it when it's dry. And as you see here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure the top panel gets completely wet and cleaned at the same time. I am taking it nice and slow, very, very slow at first. And then on my second run, I'm going to speed it up even more and make sure I get everything on my second run. So now I'm hitting the top here, and what I'm going to do is going to hit the second set of panels and make sure I get that done. So I'm stretching the pole out now. Now I'm getting it from the top to the bottom on the second row of panels, making sure that that is nice and clean. You want to do that. Take it nice and slow at first. What I did is I applied our protectant onto the solar panels at the same time. You see the little suds there. That is the protectant. It is made for solar panels. This is in our 100-gallon tank going through the hose at the same time. And we want to make sure that that gets on applied nice and evenly. As you can see, after we go through it, it dries up very, very nice. And it's going to be a nice coat on there to protect the solar panels a lot longer from dust and dirt and so on. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the bottom edges, and that's what I'm doing, getting all the dirt off the bottom edge, making sure that's all done. Then I'm going to come back up on top and make sure I do it all over again. This time, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do it quicker. So now the speed is going to be done. I'm cutting the top edge again. Here I go. Now, one more time. Make sure that top is nice and clean. Then I'm going to go ahead and go back and forth on the first set of panels. See how quick I'm doing it on the second time. That is pretty fast. We don't need to do that any slower. You're kind of wasting water at that point. At the same time, we're putting the protectant on. I just extended the pole out. Now, here we go, doing the second set. And then after I do my second set, I'm going to go ahead and hit the bottom of the panel to make sure that all the dirt is loose from the bottom of the panel itself. As you see that, I'm coming back. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back up and make sure I get right in the middle and get that done. This is what we normally do on the panels itself. So I just wanted to do this real quick video for you guys so you guys can see exactly what we're doing and how we do it. And this is the C1000. Thank you guys for watching. This is Henry from SoCal Solar Panel Cleaning Company, along with Susan here, but I'm just doing the video. So thank you guys for watching. We will catch you guys on the next video, and thanks for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. We're gonna have a lot more just videos just like this. All right guys, see you on the next video. See you guys. Peace.